Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee to study all night. First, select a dark roast coffee, as it often has a richer flavor and can contribute to a more potent brew. For a truly strong cup, aim for a coffee-to-water ratio of 1 to 15. This means for every 1 part coffee, you'll use 15 parts water. Grinding your beans just before brewing is also key for optimal freshness and flavor extraction. Next, consider your brewing method. A French press is excellent for extracting maximum oils and caffeine, giving you a full-bodied cup. Cold brew is another fantastic option. It's less acidic and can be incredibly potent, perfect for sustained energy. If you need a quick boost, an AeroPress can deliver a concentrated shot in about 1 minute, ideal for a rapid pick-me-up. To further enhance your coffee's effectiveness, try a few simple tricks. A tiny pinch of salt can surprisingly cut down on bitterness, making your strong brew more palatable. For sustained energy and mental clarity, consider adding a small amount of MCT oil. Remember to avoid excessive sugar, as a sudden sugar rush is often followed by an undesirable energy crash, which is exactly what you want to avoid. Finally, timing and hydration are crucial. Drink your first cup about 30 minutes before you plan to hit the books, allowing the caffeine to take effect. It's also vital to alternate your coffee with water to stay hydrated and prevent those unwanted jitters. While coffee is helpful, be mindful of your total intake to avoid disrupting your natural sleep cycle once your study session concludes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.